Look at that. It's time we hit the road. Let's get ready. So we're getting ready to go to Joshua Tree, and it's been a long time since we've been on an adventure. What we have to do is we have to get the Element all cleaned up and ready for that trip. Check out this car. What is this thing? A deluxe?
It's a bug.
Hey man, what is this thing? Subaru. So sick. So the first thing we gotta do is we absolutely gotta clean this car because it is filthy in here. Yeah. Let's start cleaning, and Chelsea's over in a Costco right now, and she's getting us supplies for our camping trip. Gotta stay smelling good. That other one has been there since forever, so get a new one on there. I don't know who Jose is, but if you're looking for your name tag, I have it. The reason why I think it's been so long is just I've been so focused on getting a new van that I forgot to stop and appreciate the Honda Element. So that's why I'm pretty stoked to be taking the old girl out just for old time's sakes before I get the new one. Stuff all the window covers right there, and it makes it a lot easier when you're driving to have this side of the window open. Listerine or pee bottle, you decide. Something I really like about my Honda Element setup is that it's modular, and I can kind of take the seats in and out. This is my friend's garage where I store some of my things like my motorcycle, my bicycle, and then back there I have the seats. So I'm going to grab the seats, put it in the back of the Element because we have a special guest going with us on this adventure. Somewhere in here are the seats. Struggle is real. So now we got to make some room in here to put the seat where it goes. It looks like a big mess, but it's really not. Ah! Oh, that door always closes. If you have an Element, you know what I'm talking about. Outdoor shower, I never use that. Would have been a bummer if I grabbed the wrong side of the seat. This is why I love the Element. It's so modular. Just pop things in and out whenever you want. There we go. That looks like it's in. Yes. Whew. So easy. I might even keep this thing in just to hang out in the back. Let's continue getting ready. One important step to any successful road trip. It's hard to do this with one hand. Yeah. To make sure that your baby's running right. So we're gonna check all the fluids real quick. Looking good, maybe a little low. If that pour doesn't deserve a thumbs up, I don't know what does. Pro tip, never open this while it's hot. I always get nervous with that, not gonna lie. It's looking pretty good. Wow, I need a lot more than I thought. Good thing I checked that. All right. We got the new backseat studio. Hopefully old reliable the Element will get us there nice and safe. Pulling up to the vacuum station. Boom. Let's get this baby clean. We're running out of daylight. All right, let's get a good look beforehand. Hey, when you live in your car, it gets dirty. $2 doesn't feel right, but here we go. Oh, dropped it. That's a little better. I think we need to deep clean this thing. Go. Perfect. All right, what do you guys think about the new studio setup? We're almost done. We just got to do a little bit more deep cleaning, but the setup's all good to go. If you want to see who our special guest is, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see the upcoming vlog that's coming up when we head to Joshua Tree. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.